In this video, we're going to cover how to create Office projects on version 7 of the Akuvox SmartPlus cloud platform. We will cover 8 sections, which include Introduction to the new installer portal, creating Office projects, Introduction to the Wizard Guide, managing devices, managing access control, managing a company, managing personnel, and managing admin accounts. The version 7 of the Akuvox SmartPlus cloud platform brings a new management platform for installers. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. First, log into the Akuvox SmartPlus Cloud platform with an installer account. On the dashboard, with a Quick Links section, you can easily create new sites. You can also view and create specific sites by selecting the site icon. Select the site icon to view the project type. Here, you can switch between different projects. You can find these buttons in the top left corner. Here, you can manage sites, users, devices, and account settings in an organized manner. Next, we will focus on the left-hand sidebar menu. The Users tab allows you to manage property managers and sub-installer accounts. The Firmware tab allows you to check the current firmware. The Upgrade tab allows you to upgrade devices. The Mac Library tab allows you to track the devices that were added. This includes information about their MAC addresses, installation details, and more. The Settings tab allows you to view account settings like time zones, billing information, customer service contacts, account permissions, and notifications emails for single-family projects. To change your account password, select the username in the top right corner. Next, we will cover how to create an Office project. On the dashboard, select the Add Office Site button to set up the Office features. The landline service is a premium feature and is used for communication between telephones and intercom devices. Next, enter the office name, the office address, and the time zone based upon the office location along with the preferred date format. The contact display order is used to determine the display order of usernames on the device contact list. Next, determine who will be sent the expiration email, which is either the end user and the property manager or the property manager only. Select the Submit button to save these settings. Next, we will cover the introduction to Wizard. The Wizard will appear when new offices are configured. Here, the Wizard can guide you through adding new companies, administrators, groups, personnel, and configuring access control. To view the Wizard, select the icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. If you prefer to not view the Wizard, select the button that reads Don't show the Wizard again. Next, we will cover how to manage devices. First, select the Devices tab on the left sidebar menu. Select the desired building where the devices will be installed. Right-click to rename or delete buildings. In the top right corner, select the New button. In this example, we will add a door phone. Select the device type as multi-tenant door phone. Enter the device's MAC address and common network group of the local devices. Give the device a unique name. Then, enter the relay name, which is usually the location of the device. If you want the door phone's relay to be triggered by an indoor monitor via DTMF, enter the same code used for the indoor monitor. Next, choose the unlock methods to trigger the relay. Once complete, reboot the devices to enable this function. You also have the ability to import residents and devices in batches. In the top right corner, select the Import button and download the spreadsheet template. In the template spreadsheet, enter the information. Hover above the top row for more information about how to enter the details. Then, upload the template by selecting the import icon. Next, select the device's settings icon. The settings consists of 4 parts: Basic, Door, Auto-P, and System. In the basic settings, you have the ability to modify the device type, MAC address, network group, and device name. In the door settings, you have the ability to apply a specific access schedule to keep relays activated. The door held open alarm feature allows devices to sound an alarm when the door opening time exceeds a certain limit. Specify the input that is connected to the door sensor to set the door opening time delay when the alarm is triggered. In the Auto-P settings, you have the ability to manage devices remotely via automatic provisioning. Here, enter the Auto-P command and select Submit when finished. In the system settings, you have the ability to reboot, reset, configure the connection type for the device, and remotely access the device's web interface. The default username and password are both admin. Next, we will cover how to manage access control. On the left side bar menu, select the Access Control tab. In the Access Group subtab, select the New button. Give the access group a unique name. Then, define when access will be granted. Once complete, select the Submit button. Next, select the View icon. Here, you have the ability to add or delete access groups. Next, select the Holiday subtab. This feature enables custom holiday scheduling that can limit access for certain personnel. In the top right corner, select the New button. Select the company that will adhere to the holiday scheduling. Then, give the holiday a unique name. Set the unique working hours, days, and months for the holiday. Select the Submit button to save these settings. Next, select the Area Restrictions subtab. In the top right corner, select the New button. Give the area a unique name. Select the entry and exit doors. When the anti-passback is disabled, there is no strict access control for users exiting through the exit door. When the anti-passback is enabled, users must enter and exit through designated doors. Set the time schedule when anti-passback is enabled. Deny access will prevent entry. Log violations will allow access and record the attempt in the door log. Lastly, set the duration of how long users must wait before they can open the same door again. The current occupancy column displays the number of personnel entering the area, which is only effective when the anti-passback feature is enabled. The blocked people column displays the number of personnel denied access in the area, which is only effective when the anti-passback feature is enabled. Next, we will cover how to manage specific companies. On the left side bar menu, select the Company tab. In the top right corner, select the New button. Enter the unique company name. Here, you have the ability to assign doors to specific companies and to view the holiday schedule. For more information about these features, hover over the question mark icon. Next, we will add groups to specific companies. On the left side bar menu, select the Personnel tab. Select the company you wish to add the group to. After creating a group, select the Edit icon. Here, complete the setup of the group. Select the desired display method for the directory. Next, enable the Immune to Anti-Passback button. When enabled, personnel will not be restricted by the anti-passback rules. Then, set the accessible floors. Personnel can use their access credentials for elevator access to these specific floors, with a maximum of 10 floors per building. Select the Submit button to save these settings. To remove a specific group, select the Delete icon. Please note, personnel must be deleted first before deleting the group. Next, we will cover how to manage personnel within specific companies. You have the ability to add company personnel one by one or in batches. To add a single personnel, select the New Personnel button. Enter the information based upon your needs. The email entered will receive an email containing the SmartPlus account username and password. Select the call type based upon your preference. The Set Valid Time option limits the personnel from opening doors and logging into the SmartPlus for a certain period of time. This setting has the highest priority over other access permission settings. Next, choose whether personnel can issue temporary QR codes for visitors or couriers. When complete, select Next to set up access credentials. Here, configure a unique PIN code, RF card, and facial recognition access methods. Upload front-facing photos in either JPEG, PNG, or BMP image formats. Select the Submit button to save these settings. You also have the ability to import personnel in batches. In the top right corner, select the Import button and download the spreadsheet template. In the template spreadsheet, enter the information. Hover above the top row for more information about how to enter the details. Then, upload the template by selecting the Import icon. You also have the ability to import front-facing photos in batches. In the top right corner, select the Import button and select Import Face Data. Please follow the instructions to import face data. To modify a single user, select the View icon. Here, you have the ability to modify access credentials and reset passwords. Next, we will cover how to manage administrator accounts. On the left sidebar menu, select the Admin tab. In the top right corner, select the New button. Enter the information based upon your needs. The administrator also has the ability to log into the SmartPlus admin portal with a username and password from the email that was sent earlier.